Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to share with you step by step how to password protect your Google Chrome. And this is very useful if you're not the only person using your Windows computer and you would like to put some privacy on the Chrome browser, right? So here's how you do it. Simply open up your Chrome browser, right? And on the top right hand side, go ahead and click these three dots. Then under extensions, you want to visit the Chrome Web Store. Now once the web store open, you want to go ahead and search for lock PW. Now once you go ahead and search for that, you will see the extension of lock PW. You want to go ahead and click on that, and you want to add this to Chrome. Go ahead and add the extension, and this will add it for you. Now once this is done, right, you want to go ahead and you go ahead and choose next here. It will basically tell you what works there, and you want to enter a password. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to type 1234, and I'm going to type it again 1234. No guys, for best practices you don't want to use 1234. I'm just using that for the purpose of this tutorial. And for the password int, I'm going to just put number, right? Something like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and save this, and as you can see that the password is now there and it's on. And what you want to do is just simply go ahead and close your Chrome, and I'm going to go ahead again and I'm going to open up my Google Chrome once more. And as you can see right there, it is asking me now for the password. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the password 1234, go ahead and click enter, and there you see that Google Chrome is now opened now after I enter the password. Now, it is also very easy to, let's say, disable or turn off this password protection if you no longer want it. And to do that is very easy. Here, you can find on the taskbar that I have the extensions. You can go ahead and click that. And here you will see that I have the lock password. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and you can see that it opens up. And here, beside the save button, you have the power option. So I'm going to go ahead and click the power, and this will basically turn off the password protection. So if I go ahead and close Chrome once more, let's say, and I go ahead and open up Chrome once more, you can see that it opens up without the password protection. And that's all there is to it. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video, and if you do, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below if you found some value with a tutorial like this. And if you see the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and feel free to subscribe to see much more videos coming out every single week just like this one.